My name is Madam Winnie Maina, head of Jodan Hairdressing and Beauty Academy. In our academy, we have various courses. We have Diploma in Cosmetology that is examined under CDACC and NITA. Our entry point is D- and above. We also have certificate level in hairdressing and beauty therapy. Entry point D- and above, and duration is 1 year. We also have advanced in hairdressing and beauty therapy, which you require diploma in its equivalent. We also have diploma in trainer of training, in which you need to have a diploma in cosmetology to enroll for it. To explain further, cosmetology is both hairdressing and beauty therapy combined. We also have our short courses in nail technology, makeup, barbering, and dreadlocking. It takes 3 months and it's an open entry. We don't just educate you, we empower, we establish you and elevate you to become an excellent cosmetologist. We can't wait for you to march into our March 2nd intake. Welcome all.